Dear woodworker, I'm Jonas, and in this video, I'll tell you everything you need to know about TedsWoodworking. The first thing you need to know is that TedsWoodworking is only sold on the official website, and to help you I left the link of the official website here below in the description of this video. So what is TedsWoodworking? Does it really work? And the answer is yes. TedsWoodworking is an online program that shares various secrets and various skills needed for a person to become a professional carpenter. This program really works and delivers what it promises. All plans have detailed step-by-step instructions that are easy to follow. After many tests, experts identified that there is a fast and practical method for you to manage to become a professional carpenter. With TedsWoodworking you will learn many things like materials needed for you to do the projects. You will have access to 16,000 plans already made. You will learn all about tools and many things that will make you a professional carpenter. So yes, you can trust this program. In fact, there are many people getting great results with TedsWoodworking, and you can get results too. Also, for TedsWoodworking to work, you need to take the program seriously and apply every step of the way it's taught, or else you won't see great results and you'll really get a little frustration. You can see the initial results right in the first month by doing every step of the program correctly. TedsWoodworking really works, and you can have a good result with it. You'll complete projects in a fraction of the time it usually takes you. You also get to see exactly how everything should look before you build them. You get details of every angle, every corner, every joint. Something very important is that TedsWoodworking has a warranty, and you can test it, and if for some reason you don't like it, they return your money. I left here in the description of this video the official website of TedsWoodworking with warranty for you access. I hope this video has helped you. God bless you.